Hey guys, this is Ajay. This is Kanav.
I think we should do this.
Hey guys, this is Ajay. This is
Kanav.
and you're watching Joy Joke. Basically, this is the fourth time we are reviewing the same trailer, and even our cups have changed from the transparent ones to the.
I think we shouldn't review this thing.
I think we should because
The only reason why I don't want the people to know that we are watching it for the fourth time is because now our reactions are going to be fake.
I still laugh at those jokes.
Alright, so the thing is that we are revealing the fact that we are doing it for the fourth time. We goofed up big.
We didn't goof up, our editor did, our hand did.
Our hand did. But at least we got a nice good background.
Yeah, we got a better background.
I think we are revealing too much. Now we are going to be watching this trailer. Now since we have watched this trailer
Three times before,
the reactions are going to be a little...
over dramatic is what I feel.
Yeah, I think...
Because I'll overact. Oh my god!
But I'm absolutely not enthusiastic about this thing anymore.
Because, yeah, we're doing
Okay. Should we reveal this?
You already done
I think we should have just acted. We should have just acted. We should have just been like, oh, we are seeing.
Hi guys, this is Arjun.
This is turning into an honest
Trailer review.
honest trailer review. Too much revelation in it. Yeah.
So the movie's name is 20. Was released in 2015 and it has subtitles.
I was told that this was a buddy film. I'm just repeating my lines. There were some really good jokes in that footage, bro. There were some really good jokes.
I hate you, Abhay.
Okay, let's watch this trailer. Now that we know what is going to happen, we might actually get it. The inside joke.
I hope so, yeah, I hope so.
There must be some inside joke.
셋을 보고 있자니 이런 컨셉이 떠오르네. 우린 함께 있을 때 무서울 게 많은 뷰신이었다.
We have no idea because we don't.
I've already get this.
제가 반응 쪽에서 이거
I have no
너무
idea.
없어. 자, 이렇게 있을 순 없어.
We have censored
우리가
this.
진짜
Let's break up. Why again?
보실 거야. 오빠 이런 데 가서 우리 집이 멍이들이 뒤뒤거려 그냥 분위기 한번 잡아갔지.
Right now, focusing on the music.
어디서 어떻게 해야 될지 걱정이에요. 두려워하지 마. 자, 빈집에서 단둘이 술을 먹네. 끝났지. 이제 뭐 특별히 병만 하는 거야. 여기서 말하는 특별한
मुझे पता है क्या होने वाला है.
지금 분위기가 좀 형성이 되세요. 불 좀 끌까 하는데. 뭐 안 그럴 거잖아. 그치?
I still like it. I still love
I don't get it. Why the goat sound?
저는 대담한 편이에요.
It's so random. It's
굉장히 편한
I mean, this we can relate with.
That is sexism. That is pure
That is
sexism.
not sexist. यार एक लड़की गाड़ी चला रही है, बहुत तेज चला रही है, आप उसके चक्कर में हो, so what will you do? So you pause the trailer.
Yeah. I'll appreciate it. She's driving well.
Of
She's
course.
driving fast. She's
There is
driving like a man.
I get it. There is a reward.
And that is very sexist of me too. I'm just saying.
There is nothing sexist about it. You haven't judged anyone. The thing is that अगर वो लड़की तेज गाड़ी चला रही है, आप क्यों सह रहे हो उस चीज को? क्या चाहिए जॉय तेरे को?
I'm bored. That's what he said.
अबे वो तो that is the him trying.
I understand.
This is what happens. Now we are seeing this trailer for like the fourth time. That's why we can understand the psychology of this character.
Yeah. He's being the playboy. He's being the cool guy.
I don't need to watch the movie. I guess I've understood what's going to happen and how is this thing going to end. God, I think we should watch it 20 times. Since the name of the film is 20. We'll do that review as well. But after a week, I guess. I cannot watch this again.
Where you will see, all you see is black screen.
돈을 주는 걸로 합시다. 꺼져. 왜?
I love this guy. I love this guy.
Last footage का जो बताया तूने? Wow! Oh my God, this uncle is so great, yaar. I love this. That was the first reaction when we saw this uncle. We were so excited. This guy was kicking. We liked it. We liked his mannerisms. We were enjoying it. There were some really good jokes we cracked back then. Yeah. Right now it's just fake. It's like repeating the same joke the fourth time. That's fake, right?
That was not fake. I was laughing because you were so dramatic.
But it's an honest reaction. It's basically a frustration. People can see through it. So let's complete this year finally. Finally, let's complete this year. Let's complete this. The thing about this trailer is that we up like 3 times while reviewing it, and even while reviewing it right now, we have paused it like 2-3 times.
Yeah, I know.
There is a lot of interruption in this trailer. So please, let's finish this. I think we are in the last 20 seconds.
Even that
This is the geek. Yeah, this is the geek.
Even that is an inside joke. I think. Now he's asking who will drive, and she's like, "He'll stay the night." I don't want to drive
No,
it.
I get this. I think we have watched enough films to now get this. वो क्या हुआ है?
उसने बहुत टॉन्ट मारा है इसको.
नहीं उसने टॉन्ट नहीं मारा. He has actually damaged the car some. The car is not workable. Bro, so now this is a mischievous laughter. I like the graphics.
I like the end. It ended.
Again,
It ended.
This is something that
At
you
last.
notice. This is something that you notice with complete attention to detail. The graphic work that happened in the end. There's a bulb which goes up. I really like this. I really like this. Mentos को ऐसे करना चाहिए था.
दिमाग की बत्ती जला दे.
That's what I'm saying. Jokes are gone now.
You killed all the jokes.
We have killed the spontaneity of this trailer.
Why am I even drinking out of an empty mug? We're
Now
supposed
it's
to have chai.
chai. Because I'm tired. I don't want to do this again. Yeah, please end this.
This is Harsha. You're watching. Joy Show. This is Kanam.
And this is Kanam. Yeah.
Peace out.
Adam?
Silent talk, don't it do it for me?
You wanna whip? Whip Nene साले. माधुरी दीक्षित का husband Nene.
Now watch me, nay, nay. Okay.